I'm Emma. I do advertising and marketing in my third year at the University of Lincoln. I really enjoyed studying advertising and marketing. Being at Lincoln has given me a range of things that I could do, as well as focusing on the niche that I've really liked of adverts. My favourite module was in second year. It was media planning for advertising. We got to work with a real life client as well. It was like a real life experience and it was just really fun to do. So after uni, I've always hoped to go into advertising. University of Lincoln's definitely helped me prepare for that by setting realistic goals and getting me on the right path towards that and getting connections with real life businesses and employers, which is really, really helpful. The lecturers themselves tell us all about LinkedIn and how to utilise connections to build a career. And I also went to New York in my second year, which was absolutely amazing. We got to go to all the different ad agencies, really big ones like Ogilvy. The New York trip benefited me a lot because it gave me the motivation. It sort of gave me a real life view into where I could be in 5 or 10 years, and then that's where I could be them one day. It was just a really amazing experience, and we also got to go around New York, which was not to love about that. I love the city of Lincoln. Whenever my friends from home and my family come and visit, I'm like, this is the Brayford, it's like really nice in the summer. Up by the cathedral, it's just beautiful. Making friends in my course has been really good because then you get to see them outside of the lectures and the seminars. There's a bit of everything to do. There's activities, places to go and drink, places to go hang out. I would definitely recommend my course because it's got a bit of a basis for everything. If you're not sure what you want to go into, it gives you a really good ground coverage. But if you are sure that you want to do advertising or marketing specifically, then it also really hones in on the specific pathways.